Gold and silver started the week on a strong bullish momentum. Specifically, we have seen a greater bulls here in gold hitting the highs at 31.12, while silver is struggled at around 34.20 zone. What to expect now today from gold and silver? Can we expect a stronger rally taking it beyond 31.50 levels? The momentum right now appears to be very strong on the buy side, but this could be a trap as well. So, what should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at the hourly charts taking the support from the 20 period, you can see this couple of attempts to breach below 20 period moving average. Price is shot up, and see this is trading in this bullish channel clearly, where the lows now are situated at around 3080 3070 zone. Only and only if it is seen trading below 3080 3070, we can say that the bears are back, else it is still trading strong, trading strongly bullish on the hourly chart. See the divergence here. Also notice now it is outside Bollinger Bands and hence getting a pressure from upside here, and that is why we can see the bulls getting a bit of relief here. You can see they are trying to stop, waiting for the Bollinger Bands to expand and then keep moving within the bands. That is the first part to it. If you look at the move here, you can see bullishness getting diminished, the current candle trying to consolidate, and if it trades now below 3100 3096 levels, you can expect 3090 3080 levels, and below 3080 is where the bearishness will begin. Else it is strongly bullish as of now. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising on the hourly charts. Coming to 2 hour charts, when you see the 2 hour, see again here also taking the support from the 20 period. We have seen a stronger candle here, though it is started with a slight gap up, it is retraced and again bouncing back. If you connect the highs and the lows, you can see beautifully connected here, and thus for the day 3080 3070 is the only level below which you can expect slight bearishness. Also notice, if you see this is the zone where it is consolidated and now giving a breakout, so this might continue here for a while. If it breaks beyond 3115, I think we are looking forward to another round of rise, taking it till towards 3122, 3129, and in fact 3150 levels possible. But I will say you have to exercise a bit of caution. A stronger rally definitely calls for a pullback. Stochastic rising, the MACD is at extremes here. It is rising, looking upwards. The RSI is also overbought here, but these are moderately overbought, not yet showing a strong overbought zone from a reversal, from where a reversal can be expected. If you look at 3 hour chart, see what has happened. Preceding candle comes with a bigger tail. It has shown a dip and it has bounced back, and now the current candle is starting off on a bullish note with a flat top here, giving it a breakout. But if you connect the dots here again, you can see this is how it has been trading. Nice bullish channel. The lows now at 3080 3070 zone. Also, if you see this, the 4 to 5 candles, these have formed a very strong support now at 3070. So this complete zone between 3080 and 3070 is the only level below which you can say now the bears are back, and you can look forward to a dip from there. Also notice on the 3 hour charts, rise, retracement, rise again. Second round of rally is going on. Where are the top of, where is the highs of this? Towards 3150. Let's watch out if it gives a breakout towards that. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, looking upwards, RSI overbought here. Coming to 4 hour chart, the observation is similar on the 4 hour charts. After a bit of retracement, after a bit of consolidation here towards 3010 3020, and then we have seen a good rise now again, support here at 3070 3080, and now again a good rise here. However, I can still see that the bulls are getting bit exhausted here. Thus 3115 is going to play a major role, as we have discussed in our weekly review. If you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD at top here, RSI overbought as well. Coming to daily chart, on the daily charts, very clear now, it has formed a very good base at 3000 3020 levels, and with that as base, it is continuing to rise, continuing to deliver higher highs, and it appears 3150 the top of this current run here, current bull run. If you also look at the daily charts, you can find out couple of strong bullish candles. Today it has started with a gap up, filled the gap and bounced back. Now only, as I said, only bearishness you should consider is below 3080 3070, where it can try to pull back all the way towards 3050. Now see this, what has happened here is starting off at 3090, we have seen it filling the gap and now bouncing back. So ideally we can wait for it to trade now below 3104, expect 3096 98 3090 3080, and then below that you can say more bearishness should prevail. So 3104 you can initiate a selling entry, possibility exists that we can see a slight retracement. The stochastic here is overbought, the MACD rising, the RSI overbought as well. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now pretty clear. Yes, you can sell at 3104, expect 3096.98 as the first target zone, then 3090 as the second, and then 3080 levels will appear. Below 3080 is where you can just stay short. We can in fact look forward to 3060, 3050 levels. Yes, if it starts to reverse, it is going to deliver a massive dump. Looking at the move right now, it is not willing to give up. Very, very clear. Right now, it is not willing to give up. And thus, till 3080, 3070 zone is not taken, you have to be extremely careful with the sells. Very clear. On the upside, now you can buy here at 3114 15 levels. Expect 3120 22 as the first target zone, 3129 as the second. And if it breaks beyond 3129, ideally possibility will increase that very very soon we may see gold hitting 3150 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, you can see 3440 50 3460 offered a greater resistance. We have seen a good dump here, and now it has formed a base at 33 80 $34 levels. With that as base, it is trying to bounce back. Now see, good enough consolidation is done here, and it is trying to rise. So it is very very important for silver to trade below 34 3380. That is the only zone below which you can expect the bears to take over. As long as 3380 $34 zone is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells. Moving averages are trading with moderate divergence here, with moderate bullishness. Stochastic rising. See, MACD after hitting the lows here, it is trying to cross over for a buy. This crossover can lead to another round of rise, and if you see it coupling with the move in gold, possibly it appears that we may see 34 50 60 again. RSI trying to rise again. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. The support from the 20 50 period moving average very very strong. 3380 $34 zone, very very strong support zone. What is happening here? Also notice the consolidation, it is shown at 34 50 60. So thus now, as long as 34 50 60 is not taken, at least you have to be careful, because see, these are the highs from where we have seen a dip. And if you look at the formation, rise then the dip, the rise then the dip, and if you connect the highs and the lows, this is how it has been trading. Good bullish channel. The highs now are towards 3480 here. So if you see the lower price above 3440, you can initiate a buying entry here. If you see silver trading above 3440, certainly you can look forward to 3470 80 zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over. It is trading with bearishness here, trying to converge, not yet crossed over though. RSI is also trying to take a dip. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, good enough consolidation around 20 period, and with that as support, trying to bounce back. See, here also what we had seen, consolidation and then a good rise. Here also what we can see, a consolidation, and this could follow with a rise. So if you see it is staying above 3440, possibly that is the level beyond which we can look forward to another round of rise. First rise retracement, second rise retracement, it could show a third rise which is going to take it all the way towards 3485 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is also rising, while the MACD is the one which is crossed over at the top, trading with moderate bearishness here. The RSI is also showing a little up move. Coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, there is only one observation. See this, look at this, very very strong resistance, retracement. Now three, you can say, reversal candles, but the current one is struggling on the upside, and this calls for the prices. If it trades below 34 3380, you can say now we are looking forward to a round of drop. What could happen here? One bearish candle retracement, and this follow-up candle could be strongly bearish, and thus a move below 34 3380 should take it all the way towards 3350 and lower levels. Right now too early to conclude with that. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, and the support it is seen from the 20 period also is pretty strong. The stochastic is starting to rise, but only worry point is the MACD, which is just crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI is also trading with moderate bearishness here. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see one bearish candle. See, it has formed a kind of double bottom, and it is trying to bounce back. It has created a step as well, and see it is turning green. I will wait for it to wait for the closer of the day. Again, below 34, 33, 80, certainly we can see a move which is going to take it towards 33.50 and lower levels. Also, if you notice, on the daily charts, rise retracement, rise, this could follow with a good retracement all the way towards 33. See, notice this, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise, it could follow with a retracement, and on the downside till towards 33 it has got a stronger support. Right now the momentum is not supportive, but yes, it will hardly take one single candle for silver to reverse the trend. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 34. Expect 33.80, 33.50 and then 33.20 levels. And below that, you can expect a greater correction. Yes, the momentum it shows could be a greater trap as of now. We have to wait for it to stay above now 34.40 in order to initiate a buying entry. Beyond this, you can expect 34.70, 34.80 as the first target zone, 35.10 as the next, and beyond you can expect a greater rise. Till the time it stays now below 34.70, 80, you should be careful with the buys as well. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates and detail for what has happened throughout the day and what to expect from the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.